Hi, everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll walk through the steps of installing Windows Server 2025 on VMware. Open your Chrome browser. Go to the Microsoft Evaluation Center website. Choose Windows Server 2025 from the available options. Scroll down and click Download the ISO file. Register here. After filling the form, click Download now. This will start downloading the ISO image. The download process may take some time, depending on your internet speed. After downloading, you can see your file in Downloads. Create a new folder in Other Drive and move the file in that folder for safety. Now, let's open VMware. If you haven't installed VMware yet, you can refer to our previous video where we detailed the installation process. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Click Next. Select I will install the operating system later and click Next. Select Latest Windows Server and click Next. Browse and choose the Separate folder from Drive other than C. Click Next. Give memory according to your system and need. Click Next. Click Customize Hardware. Now, let's configure our virtual machine. We'll adjust settings like the number of CPUs, RAM to match our desired specifications. Click New CD, a DVD, and select Use the ISO image file. Assigning an ISO image of Windows Server 2025. Click Close. Click Finish. When our virtual machine configured, let's power it on and begin the installation process. Press any key to boot from the Windows Server installation media. We'll select the language to install, the time and currency format, and the keyboard layout. Then click Next. Agree this and click Next. Select Windows Server Standard Evaluation, Desktop Experience. Read License and Accept. Click Next. Click Install. Ensure your disk has enough space. The installation process will begin. This may take some time, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, we'll be prompted to set an administrator password. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Enter your password. Click Accept. Finally, we'll log into our newly installed Windows Server 2025 using the administrator account and password we just created. This is Server Manager dashboard. Now right-click on your virtual machine and install VMware tools. Open File Explorer and go on DVD drive. Double-click on Setup. Click Next. Click Install. This may take some time. Click Finish. Click Yes to restart. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Enter password. That's it for this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below.